I ordered these cupcake boxes on Amazon, and I just want to show you guys how they get put together and then my thoughts and everything. I did buy the white boxes. They also come in brown boxes. And then I bought the 25 set. They come in a 50 set or a set of 100. So it's all up to you. They do label them as wedding cupcakes. But I mean, you guys could use this for parties or whatever you want to use it for. So this is how it came, right? You have the instructions, we have the actual boxes right here, and then we have the inserts, okay? So we're just gonna open this up real quick. Okay, we want to keep the instructions off to the side. That's what they look like right there. Okay, now here's the actual boxes. So like I said, I bought the 25 set. So we have 25 boxes and 25 inserts. I'm just gonna get one of each to show you guys how it gets put together. Put these off to the side like so. Okay, so let's start with the insert first, okay? So it does have folding areas, right? So these two small pieces, you're just gonna go ahead and fold it down like this, one side, two side. So that's gonna sit just like this. So that means this needs to get folded upwards, okay? That goes upwards and that goes upwards. And then it has little inserts that you just take right out. That's one. Other side also has one. And the middle actually has an insert as well. So that's gonna be trash right there. And as you can see, you see a dotted line right here. You just gotta follow it, and you do have to fold these in. Do not tear these out, because this actually makes the cupcake sit in there nice and tight, so it's not moving around and falling. So you do just want to fold those in and not cut them out. Okay, so this is part one, and now we are going to work on the actual box. So we're going to set this off to a side for right now. So here goes the box. You got the window right there. Okay, we want to just fold this out. All right. So there it is. All right, let's get started with the bottom of the box. So you guys notice that you have two identical sides. That's this side, and then you have the tall side, and then you have the cutout side. Okay, so first you're gonna actually put the cutout side goes down, and then it's gonna be the sides that look exactly like each other, and then it's gonna be this last one, because it's gonna go right in the middle, like so. Okay, just like that. So you guys can see I used my other hand. I just had it inside just to make it, make sure it's nice and plain, and it actually goes through there. So that's how you put the bottom down. So let's now work our way to the top. Okay, so for the top, you have identical sides here, and then you got these two sides here. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is, if you guys could see, there's a little cutout here. Okay, looks like a Christmas tree. We're gonna cut out the center piece. Okay, let's cut out this other centerpiece that we have right here. Boom, perfect. Okay, so now we have this side and this side. Okay, so this side, this is a flap that you could cut out, and you could tell you could cut it out because it's just hanging by a thread on both sides. So you do not need that. So don't mistake it with this side. This side does not have the threads. This side is all connected here, okay? So now we have our box here. So now it's time to close it. You just want to make sure you fold everything in so it's gonna actually be able to fold nice. Okay, so how we close it is you gotta make sure this is bent in. Okay, so this slides into this hole right here. Okay, and then it just goes down. So this is the actual handle. Okay, and then this slides on top, and then the other one slides on top, so it's a finished box like so. But we're gonna slide the cupcake in. I just wanna show you guys how to do the top. Okay, so this is the insert, and here is the delicious cupcake. It is strawberry shortcake, for anybody that is wondering, and I'll let you guys know if it's delicious at the end of this video, so just keep watching. Okay, so you want to make sure the prettiest side, I guess, is right next to the window. okay? Because that's the side that's going to be showing. Another thing you don't want to do is have this side facing the window because it's going to cover everything up. So it's either going to be this side or this side. Just pick whichever looks best, and then you're going to slide it right in your box here. Okay, you do have to be careful because you don't want to mess it up, get it all over the place, but you do want to slide it down here like so. Okay, now you can let go, and then we're going to close up our box again, but since we closed it up, it's already ready to go. Okay, so just like this and like this, and that is your finished product. You have your cupcake showing. It looks nice, it looks presentable. All you have to do is whoever wants it, you just give it to them just like that. You're ready to go, and let's find out how this cupcake tastes. All right, guys, now it is dessert time. Like I mentioned, this is strawberry shortcake. It looks delicious, probably because it is delicious. It's good.